So yay, I'm out here working. Yeah, y'all can't see nothing right now. Huh? You can see that window. But I'm working on straightening up the yard more. And of course, we get 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup. Oh, I can't wait to move. Can't wait to leave this area. Tired of freaking cops coming in, going to my neighbors, and a lot of questionable activities. Wish I had my own yard and own neighborhood. Well, my own serenity, whatever. But yeah, so yeah, I wish I had my own place, my own safety, away from people and cops, and so I'm ooh, dang, that light's so bright. But yeah, getting this section over here, the black avalanches still aggravate me so bad. Can't figure out why that transmission. Ooh, cold. See my breath. But yeah, so the black avalanches still aggravate me quite badly. Can't figure out why that transmission's not moving. I rearranged the floor jack to push up on the areas, and I had those tie down straps pulling on it, and so I'm giving it a break tonight so I can rearrange this section over here where I have stuff piled up. And my buddy Millard said he's coming back out tomorrow. He came out, what was it, yesterday, to try to give me a hand on it. No success. So I'll jump on the blue avalanche, silver avalanche, whatever color, and have some progress hopefully with that one. My leg is killing me. It's like 11:30 at night, and it's pretty cold. It's probably low 60s or what. So it's out here getting the work done, watching everybody's videos. Salute to everybody. We need to catch up on some other people. I hate how YouTube does the notification thing. Jimmy Salisbury, thank you for commenting. Need to get back on your videos, and Nana Gang and everybody. So salute, blessings, and motivation, everybody. Ooh, look at that, look at that. That's some big motivation right there. I really working for a trailer like that. Put one of those concrete dumpsters or construction dumpsters on. Put it on the back of a truck, gooseneck. That was a big reason why I want the dually that I'm going for. because it has the gooseneck on it. And then I can get a trailer like that. Not only a trailer like that, but a regular like double car hauling trailer. But that's a big goal right there. Be able to transport those construction dumpsters. Your yard dumpster. Ooh. Alright, I gotta run into Walmart and get some dog food. But ooh, that's some life motivation right there. Salute to everybody. Alright, we're back for a minute. So, as we can see, the transmission's out of this one. So, had a good day yesterday. A buddy of mine, Millard, came over. I got all this clean from the last clip I done where cops were across yonder. We got the other bad transmission. We got the one out of the black truck here. And then we got the one out of the silver truck into the black truck, dropping the fuel pan, the transmission pan, to put new transmission fluid in it to fill it back up, because we did lose here and there some. And I got a couple bolts started in the bell housing. I need to put a couple more in there and tighten them all down. Put the torque converter bolts in the flywheel, and then I removed the oil filter, drained the oil a while back, so changed the oil. And then I'm pretty sure I'm going to drop the fuel tank to get that old gas out of there, since it's been sitting for a minute. Put some fresh gas in it, and she'll be ready to start, hopefully. Hoping and praying that everything goes good. Got a couple more wires. It's O2 sensor wiring. Got a couple things to hook up and hopefully ready to roll. Put it back on the ground, ready to pop wheelies. So fun. Been eventful last couple days. Sorry I hadn't recorded nothing of it, but Albert was here and Miller was here, and we're just rocking and rolling and punching and kicking, moving, getting that fight. So today's what, Monday, first day the kids went back to school after Thanksgiving. And fun thing, Wednesday is my birthday, so hopefully to have that other truck legal by Tuesday. Little birthday gift to myself, huh? But I need a couple more $100. I got some stuff on Facebook Marketplace for sale. Hopefully I make enough money to get the truck legal. I need about, right now I'm guessing about $300. So I was making a joke about making a GoFundMe page on Facebook or whatever for the $300 to get the truck legal, birthday gift. And he wants me to replace the batteries, because he wants to keep his batteries again. But hopefully I'd make so that's $500 I need ish. So We'll see. Anybody want to donate some money? My Cash App, huh? Put my Cash App down here at the bottom. But yeah, we're just moving. All I do is gotta do a couple more things and we'll be hopefully ready to start here by the end of the week. And get this baby moved around. See y'all in a minute. Well, we're back another couple years. No. It's probably gonna be the end of the video. I gotta go pick up the kids from school here in a minute. Now I'll come back and get to cracking some more. So just want to say salute, blessings, motivation to everybody. Keep grinding, whatever your goals are. Keep it in mind every minute. Every minute you're struggling to get it achieved, keep in mind what the end. Sorry, that light freaking. But yep, just having fun. Trying to make every day fun and productive. So salute and blessings, everybody.